people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and this is going to be a really quick video just sharing with you guys the products that I use in my hair, okay? Now, before you go jumping the gun, I gotta let y'all know that your girl is no product junkie, okay? I don't use a lot of things in my hair, okay? I keep it very simple and very plain, all right? And you guys about to find out today, okay? So without further ado, let's just hop right into it, because I get a lot of questions, people asking me what products I use, what products do I recommend, and I'm like, I just use what I use, you know, and it works for me, and this is what I use. So let's just get right into it. The first product is washing. I use Dr. Bronner's, okay, hemp tea tree per Castor soap. I love this soap to wash my hair because it strips my hair of any product that I use, okay? Use this soap to wash your hair and your locks will be squeaky, squeaky, squeaky clean, okay? Once you're done. I love this soap here, okay? It's 100% natural. It doesn't have any parabens or harmful chemicals like some shampoos may have, okay? So I love to use this. For moisturizing my locks, you guys know water is your best friend when it comes to moisturizing your locks, okay? And you use your oils to seal in the moisture. So the oil that I like to use is Tropical Roots, okay? Jamaican Black Castor Oil, okay? As you can see, it says nourishes and revitalizes, strengthens and conditions, seals moisture. It also has a little bit of rosemary infused. I love this oil for moisturizing or sealing in the moisture for my locks. This is what I use, okay? I also have some Africa's Best oil. I also use this sometimes if I run out of my castor oil, which is rare. I've had this one for a long time, okay? And this is another oil that I use. That's it for me. As far as my retwist, you guys already know I use Beeswax, okay? Yes, all right. Now, I know a lot of people don't like beeswax, which is fine. And I always say to each his own, do you, boo-boo. Don't come for me. You know, it works for me, but that's what I know. There are a lot of people out here who get fancy with the Loc products, and unfortunately, I am not one of them, girl. I am so plain and simple when it comes to my little products. Y'all see my little 3 full products I just showed y'all? That's it for me. It works for me. I've been locked, what, coming up on 17? Listen. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, okay? Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.